Hello, we are ICECO, and we are pleased to introduce the Jeep Series car refrigerators. The ICECO JP Series is the ultimate solution for individuals or groups on a multi-day excursions, with real needs to keep their foods cold, fresh, and safe to eat. Our products are widely used in automobiles, yachts, RVs, trucks, commercial vehicles, or even medical units. With ICECO by your side, you'll never buy ice again. It's a compressor car refrigerator powered by ICECO compressor units. The compressor is the heart of the refrigerator, and ICECO is the most vibration-resistant compressor on the market, and it can pump the refrigerant through the refrigerating circuit with a motor speed of about 3,000 revolutions per minute, which allows ICECO to present excellent cooling performance, even at extreme ambient temperatures and with minimal power consumption. Connect it directly to your vehicle's 12 or 24-volt DC power source. Or take advantage of your freezer's built-in inverter and run it on AC before your departure. The JP fridges run great on your small solar system as well. Our JP Series provide you an easy way to open. With portable rest handles, it's easy to take on the go. The tough and robust design gives the JP durability and performance on a bumpy journey. JP Series can keep running in slopes under 40 degrees. The LED light is a pleasant addition. It allows you to reorganize in the dark. A removable basket can help you organize the ingredient and take it out easily.